everyone. We're at Cat's base. Helena needs a new set of rotor blades.
Ooh, some music while you work.
Now we just need to attach the new rotors. Huh? There's no electricity. It must be a power cut.
Oh no! Helena can't fly! My warning system doesn't work. What will we do if there's an emergency?
Wait, everyone! I've got an idea. With these old rotors, we can build a turbine and generate power from the wind. Oh, phew. Thanks, Red. Don't let go. Once we get this turbine up in the air, the wind will spin the blades and generate clean electricity for Cat's base. Now, Cat! Huh? Red! You can let go now!
Whoa there! You're not supposed to fly.
Ha-ha! Hooray! There you go. We work together as a team to make electricity that is so clean. I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's Carry the Bus's service today. Can you handle that, Mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh? Looks like the Mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're just fixing Mama Recycle. But, it's getting late. You'll have to stay for a sleepover. Come on, everyone. Time to get ready for bed. Whoa! They're so excited they'll never get to sleep. But I've got an idea. Time to get all squeaky clean before we go to bed and dream. Now it's time to dry you off. I'm coming to get you! They'll never sleep like this. Wait a minute. I've got another idea. Sleepy mechanicals, lay down your head. You've worked so hard, now it's time for a rest. Baby truck blue, red, yellow, green. It's time for bed. Good night and sweet dreams. Good night, everyone. Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the Bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ow! No, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Blue! Blue, where are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh. We'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing box! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, yellow, fetch a blanket. I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh. Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew. You saved the day, Blue. Hooray for our hero. Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye! What? Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, Mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for a carnival. The Mechanicals are just finishing off their costumes. I love the jacket, Grandma.
Thanks, Gecky. Carnival is all about love. Now, where are my mini metal ones? I want to see their costumes.
A brilliant banana.
Oh, Oh, Blue, my heart.
No need to be shy, Green. You look amazing. Wait, where's Red?
Come on, you lot. Let's get this show on the road.
What's wrong, buddy? This is the design for your costume. It's amazing. It really is. It's okay to feel nervous, Red, but don't worry about what others think of you. Carnival is all about expressing yourself and being proud of who you are. And I'll always be proud of you.
Oh, yay! Hey, start your engines.
Come on, Red, you can do it. I'm so proud of you all. Let the carnival continue. You can do it, Molly. Hooray! Oh, she's done it. Don't worry, Molly. We'll rescue your teddy. Come on, everyone. Oh, whoops! The teddy's on Fiona! Follow that fire truck! Fiona! Stop! Ooh, what the?
Hop it, Frog! Let me past! Wilma T. Weasel coming through! Ah, no! The light is always red!
Wait, Fiona! I need to look on your roof! Nuts and bolts! It's gone!
About time. Well, well, a new mascot to share our journeys with, Sly. Where's my camera? I want to take a photo. And maybe I'll use the teddy to clean my windows too. Yeah.
Oh, we'll keep looking, Molly. Don't worry. We would get a better view from the sky. Spinning screwdrivers! It's Molly's teddy! Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Where's it gone, Sly? It can't have just vanished.
Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. Oh, it's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look. Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top. We can wash all that mud off. That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Ah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah. Hee. Hooray! The car wash is working and baby truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
And then I saw it, coming out of the dark with great glowing eyes and huge wobbly wheels. It was the ghost truck!
Oh, it's okay, Mechanicals. It's just a story. There's no such thing as ghosts. Are there, Grandma?
Of course not. But scary stories are so much fun.
I wonder where Tilly's got to with those marshmallows. Just a few more twigs for the fire, please, Yellow.
Yellow?
A ghost? It can't be! Marshmallows?
Ghost marshmallows? That's new.
We don't need to be afraid or act all silly because it's not a ghost. It's our friend Tilly.
It was a dark, stormy night and...
No more ghost stories, Grandma.
All right, no ghosts. But let me tell you about the creepy were-kangaroo of Cowabunga Canyon.
Hello, everyone. Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? No! Baby Truck! Wait! Oh, no. We've frightened Baby Truck away. Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help A vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, baby truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, baby truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! Come on, mechanicals. We have Fiona fire truck in today. Whoa!
I'm Wilbur T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels, fully automated to fix things fast.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. I'm Gecko.
Ugh. Oh, here's my first customer. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is number 1. See you, Frog.
The name's Gecko.
OK, Floella. Won't take long. I'm not too sure which button starts the service. Oh, pressing them all should do the trick. Come again, Felicity.
That was quick. Oh dear, she doesn't look good. Come in, Fiona. Let's have a look. That's the problem. Weasel was in such a rush to get things done that he put soap in your tank instead of oil. We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble-free.
I'm sure I pressed the right button. Oh, yuck!
Oops. See you again soon at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's a hot, sunny day and we're off to the beach. Soggy screwdrivers. The bridge is shut and Vicky can't deliver her ice cream.
I must have ice cream!
Don't worry, everyone. We'll help Vicky get to the beach. Come with us. There. Ah. I've made a couple of special tweaks to help Vicky get to the beach. But we may still need your rocket blue. Blue? Blue! Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help everyone in need of ice cream. Oh, we need some more speed. Now, Blue. That'll do, Blue. We don't want to overshoot the landing. Nuts and bolts! We did overshoot the landing! Don't worry, Vicky. A gecko always has a plan B. What a journey! Now, who wants an ice cream?
Out of the way, trash can! That's my ice cream! My ice cream!
See you next time, everyone. Bye! Bobby. Oh no! Your windscreen is cracked. Quick, come inside. Oh, that must hurt. We'll need to replace it. Mechanicals, could you fetch a new windscreen, please? And be careful! That glass is very fragile.
Look at my new tooth! It's gold and shiny! Out of my way, trash cans! Gecko, look at my new... Oh, my gold tooth! Where is it? It was so expensive!
Well done, Mechanicals. Thanks for bringing the windscreen. All done, Bobby. Off you go. Mechanicals, could you take the old windscreen away, please?
Aha! Found it!